Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to create a Discord server on PC or your laptop. So here you just have to open your Discord and click on the plus icon right here to add a server. Then here you can create your own server or gaming, schools club, or there are different server that you can create. So for now, just click on the create my own and then select the for me and my friends, and then you just have to type out here the name of your server, and you can also upload your photo for your server. After that, just click on the create option. Okay, now that you're here, you have successfully created your server. So you have the channel type, the text channels, and the voice channels. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see your channel type. So now just click on this arrow right here, and then you'd be able to see here the options where you can invite people, server settings, create channel. So now just click on the create channel, and here you just have to type out the name of your channel, and then you can select your channel type. So here, for example, I want to name this a channel as rules, and then click on create channel and select the channel type. Okay, now your new channel has been successfully created. Now just do the same process again. So just click on this arrow right here and then click on create channel. And this time, let's create a channel for voice. So just click on this voice right here and then type out your channel name and then click on create channel. So as you can see, the two channels has not been categorized correctly. So all you have to do is to drag the channels under their respective channel types. Okay, so for the rules, let's put it under the text channels, and for the sound of the day, let's put it under the voice channels. Right here, you have successfully put the channels under the respective channel type. So now just click on the arrow again and click on create category. And then here you just have to type out the name of the category. So here I want to create a category for staffs. Okay, after that you just have to click on create category. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here now your category for staffs area. Let's create another channel. So just click on the arrow again. So this one, and then click on create a channel. So here, let's create a channel under the staffs area. So let's name this channel as the text for or text channel. So just name it like this and select the channel type. So select text and then click on create channel. After that, let's create another channel for voice channel type. So just click on the create channel and then just type out the name of your channel. And after typing out the name, make sure to choose the channel type, which is the voice. So just click on the voice and then click on create a channel. So now as you can see, you have the two new channel at the top. So you just have to press and drag that specific channel under the staff's area. Okay, so let's drag the text channel first under the staff's area. And after that, just drag the voice channel for the staff's area again. Okay, so as you can see, you have now your different channels under the different categories. So for the staffs area, you have your text channel and your voice channel. So now, if you don't want normal people typing in the staff channels or viewing the staff channels, all you have to do is to click on the settings icon or the gear icon beside the text channel or the voice channel. So let's try it with the text channel. So we just click on this icon right here, and then here you proceed to the permissions and then click on the advanced permissions. Okay, now just select it everyone, and then you can see here the view channel. So you just have to click on the X icon or disable, then scroll down and find the send messages and then select the X icon or the disable and then click on save changes. Okay, so after that, let's proceed to the voice channel. So just click on the gear icon. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on the permissions. and then click on at everyone. And now I just have to click on the X icon for the view channel. And for the speak option, just have to click on the X icon as well. And then you just have to click on save your changes. And after that, let's create now the rules. So just click on the arrow and then click on the server settings from the menu. Okay, and then just scroll down until you can see the rules and then click on rules. So right here, you just have to click on create rule. Okay, so here you just have to type out the name of the rule. So for example, members, and then you can select the color for this rule name. After that, just click on the save changes. Okay, so this option right here beside the reset. Okay, now let's go ahead and create another rule, which is for the admin. So just click on create rule and then click on the rule name and then type out the name of your new rules. For example, admin. So let's change the color for this one. And after that, just click on save changes. So as you can see, we have now two rules, which is the member and the admin. So just click on escape from your keyboard. Now to give a rule or rules for your members, all you have to do is to click on the arrow icon again at the top. Okay, so just click on this arrow that is facing downwards and then click on the server settings. And then you just have to scroll down until you can see the members option. Okay, so just scroll down and you'll be able to see here the members. So just click on it. Then right here, select the member that you want to add a rule. And then just click on the tree that's right here and then click on rules. So you just have to select either member, admins, or both. And after that, you'd be able to see here that this member has the rules for admins and a member. Now you want to fix your staff category. That way the staffs are the only people who can view it. So you just have to click on the staffs area or you can right click the staffs area so you'll be able to see the options or you can manage the staffs area category. So let's try to right click the staffs category. And right here, you'd be able to see the edit category. So you just have to click on it and then click on the permissions. And then under the rules and members, you just have to click on it. And then you have to select the member first. Okay, so these options are under the rules and members. So first, you just click on the member. Okay, so here for the view channels, you just have to click on the X icon or the disable icon. Now you just have to scroll down and for the send messages, just click on the X icon again and then click on save changes. Now let's go back to the permissions and then under the rules and members, you just have to select the admin. And for the view channels, you just have to click on the checked icon. Then under the send messages, just click on the checked icon as well and then click on save changes. So now the admins are the only people who can text and view the staff channels. So you can see that right here, the members cannot view these channels. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.